Yeah, I can get a closer look at that. The control valve itself is blinking blue, so that's good. That's blue is normal operation. And this is the COM port, I guess communications port or what. Yeah, so that plugs in down here. And this is a ream gas atmospheric vent water heater. The other connectors are, that's the COM port controller. This is a water leak detector, and this goes all the way to the bottom over here. I guess it's supposed to go a little bit below the water heater into the drain pan, and it's supposed to beep or something if it detects water. And this top one here is a hot water outlet temperature sensor, and this one down here is a cold water temperature sensor. The hot water temperature sensor goes to the TNP valve, temperature and pressure relief valve. If you touch this, you'll notice it's hot, and this is where the valve itself measures the temperature. So that's probably why they asked us to install the temperature sensor, hot water temperature sensor here. And then the cold water temperature sensor is connected to the cold water inlet valve. These wires are messy, so I will fold and neatly stack them later, but basically looks like it's working. I just installed all the sensors today. Wi-Fi was set up earlier, so looks like this is ready to go, and I'll just keep looking at my app to see how it's doing. I'll probably use some of the features to measure the energy that I'm using. I think it also measures water, amount of water I'm using. I have to see what all the features are, but that's the gas smart. This makes my hot water heater smart. I think there's probably also like a vacation mode or something, where if I'm out on vacation, then I can shut off my hot water heater, at least the burner side. And I think I would probably also shut off my water if I'm out on vacation. Other than that, the instructions had mentioned to install this on top of the hot water heater, but they asked me to, the instructions say to drill a hole where I can put the mounting bracket, and I wasn't too comfortable drilling a hole in my water heater. So instead what I did is I used the existing screws. This is just probably a cover. This is not the actual tank. The actual tank is inside this. I removed these screws, and I bought these 90-degree angle brackets from Home Depot, from Amazon. No, this one's from Walmart. I bought these 90-degree 1.5-inch angle brackets, attached them to the existing screws on the water heater, so I didn't have to drill any additional holes. And then I bought this bracket. It's a 9-inch or 9.7-inch or something like that steel bracket from Amazon. And interestingly, this bracket for this Aquanta smart hot water heater, this bracket that was supplied fits exactly into the two middle holes of this bracket that I bought on Amazon. So it all worked out great. I installed it like this. This is the angle brackets, 90-degree angle, which I installed this 9-inch bracket using these nuts and bolts, and then I attached the brackets that were supplied with the smart water heater controller onto this 9-inch or 9.7-inch, and then use these bolts. So it worked out perfect. So the hot water, the smart controller is no longer actually, it's no longer installed on the water heater. I mean, it's not sitting on the water heater, but I don't think that matters. So that's what it looks like. I also didn't have a lot of space because I already have my expansion tank up here. This is the, I didn't have electrical outlet for the controller, so what I did is, for now, I've just taken this 15-inch extension wire. I did have electrical point here, so I use this plug and this extension wire, and it goes all the way to the top with, and comes back down here. Just for now. Later on I'll probably add some Romex wire that'll go, and just I'll secure it to these beams. And I have a box over here. This is probably a connection box or what have you, and bring the Romex in here and wire it in here into this connection box, and pretty much that's it. Yeah, that's the smart water heat again.